Hey! Woo! Woo! Yeah, boy! Sneakies, it's me, Fifi, and I'm back. I'm back again today with day 6 of ATEEZ week, and today we have a dance practice marathon. Now, I've just seen they posted a dance practice for Halazia. Is that how you pronounce it? I forgot. Halazia? I can't remember. Anyway, but I'm not going to do that one. The ones I've chosen, I feel like, are the ones that I want to see the most. Does that make sense? I didn't think I wanted to do any specific ones or the ones that I'm supposed to do, if that makes sense. I just want to do the ones that I personally want to see. I'm going to be doing 4 today. I'm going to be doing Guerrilla. Guerrilla. I just don't know how to pronounce that either. Eternal Sunshine, Deja Vu, and Fireworks. Those are the 4 that I personally want to see the most now. And maybe at some point in the future, I'll do another dance practice marathon when I have time, and I'll catch up with some more. And yeah, I'm super excited. Let's just go. Okay guys, let's go. I'm just gonna let all 4 of these play through one after the other. I'm not gonna stop in between because I don't really have anything to say after each one. I'm not a choreographer, there's nothing that I can really analyse. I'm just watching this like as a fan sort of thing. Let's go. We're starting off with Guerrilla. Let's go. Oh, that sounded weird at first. I thought it wasn't playing through my earphones. Whoa. Jesus. Those shoulder shimmies. I can't really see them properly though. That's the only thing with this. I love how noisy they are. Hey! Ooh, I love moves where they do like little subtle. Hey! I love it. I'm going to lean back as well. Hey! Yeah, the only thing with these ones, like, I can't see who's who. Hey! Hey! That was very cool. Very cool. He's really having his moment. Woo! I love that part. I think that's my favourite part. The way they sort of come forward as well. I love that. Wow. Whoa! The way they just shifted across the floor like that. Ooh. Listen to all their breaths. See, the thing is with these types of dance practices, you get to see like the dance practice how you would like in person. But I personally don't find it as enjoyable as the ones where, you know, like where the camera follows them. Yay. Ah, those are my favourite types of moves, man. The little quirky ones. Also, I love this song so much. Hey. Ooh, see the little moves like that. They're my favorite. Hey, love that. How those little slowing down and then picking it up again. This is why I also prefer like brighter, more happy sounding songs, because I always find the choreo like more my vibe. Hey. Oh, it's cute. They sort of like carried him off. That little jump as well at the beginning of the choreo. Hey! Hey! Woo! Hey! Okay. Okay, Michael Jackson. They're just standing there in the center. Yes, see, I love that choreo. That's my favorite type of choreo. That's my favorite one. Yeah, I love that. I can't really see properly because of the lighting in this one as well. Very dark. Maybe I should pick a different one. Ooh, I can barely see them. Whoa! That was very cool. Yeah, it's this bit, isn't it? Hey! They changed it, didn't they? They changed it a bit, the Korean verse. Ooh, that spin. Okay, that was the same as the first chorus, right? Ooh, I do love that one. That one's saucy. But again, it's got little quirky moves rather than like being like quite aggressive. I love this song a lot. Shit slaps. Okay. That little jumper. This actually might be my favourite title track of theirs. And the choreo. They're so in sync. Wow, the way they just woo! They just hit that spin on the floor, that guy, the backup dancer. Ooh, shit! Ooh, the backup. Hey, hey, the footwork. Ooh. Hey! Yeah, this is their best title track, I'm sorry to say. I have to say. Other than the fucking debut track. Hey! Yeah! Hey! Yeah, this bridge is exactly why this is their best title track. Fight me, fight me. but that song slaps, so does that choreo. Yeah, they are brilliant. They are brilliant dancers, and they have some of the best choreos in K-pop, hands down. I said this since the beginning, like, ATEEZ were never meant to be like, they are a performance group. There are some groups that are just performance-y groups. Do you know what I mean? They're just a very performance-driven group. Like, they're at their best when they're on stage. Like, in my personal opinion, like, seeing them in Kingdom and stuff, like, that is where they shine the greatest. They've got bops, don't get it twisted, their MVs are fantastic as well, but I feel like their music, their title tracks anyway, they are made for like performances. It's only when you see, like, the songs sound better when you see them like dance, like with the choreo. And you know what I'm like I just prefer music when it comes to anything, but I can admit and say, like, ATEEZ is one of those groups where you have to visually like see them as with the songs to like fully grasp and understand and appreciate the songs. You know me, I'm not a dancer, I'm not a choreographer, I don't know anything about dance, so there's nothing I can really add other than I really enjoyed that. If I was going to rank the choreos, I'll go Eternal Sunshine, Fireworks, yeah, Deja Vu, and then Guerrilla. I think that's my rating. Let me know which one was your favourite out of these four, not your favourite choreo. Just out of these four, I want to know which choreo is like. I feel like I'll be able to grasp what type of vibe you go for if you tell me which one's your favourite. But yeah, that's it. I shall see you tomorrow for the last day of ATEEZ week. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you. I love you. Gonna follow me on Instagram, guys. Gonna follow me on Twitter. And yeah, goodbye.
Oh.